Hi, it's David in the stained glass studio. Just a little while ago I was talking about how important it is to have, a pattern to start out with your stained glass. And here is an example of a little tiny sketch. And this is one that I don't want to draw up in AutoCAD. And why would that be? Well, that's because this is a copyrighted picture of Mickey Mouse. And so I don't need it, nor do I want it, because I'm going to make a copy for a student who wants to make a Mickey Mouse piece. But of course we would not sell this image, nor would we do multiple images for sale, because that would be copyright infringement. So this is a really good one. I'm going to show you how to use the Rapid Resizer program to show you how to make a copy of some other little piece. Okay, so the first thing I do is start up my scanner software, and I scan the little image into the computer. Fairly simple. Your scanner software might be different than mine. Anyhow, you can do that. Now, if this was a digital image, then I could have imported it either from someplace on the internet, or I could have brought it in from my phone. Now I'm using the old version of the Rapid Resizer, the one that they used to sell, and you could download it and run it from your computer. But now you'll be able to use the newer version, which is online, and so there may be some differences. But now I open the drawing up while I'm in Rapid Resizer, and then things here are pretty much the same, I believe. You see the little graph lines that allow you to see that the image is vertical and horizontal just the way you want it. Now I go over to the cropping dialog, and look at that nice red line. You just drag it up and crop to where you want the image to look. It's very easy to do, really quick. That's what's amazing. Now you go over and it shows you a preview of what it's going to be. And I go over to my settings, next page, and I leave the lock on so that the aspect ratio changes both height and width at the same time. Now I'm going to make this a 12-inch wide piece. So I go up and I click on width and type in 12. And it doesn't look like anything happened, but that's because it already knows what it is. And so now it's going to preview it, and now I see what the print will look like. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And there it is. Now I can go to my print dialog. And there it goes. And your print dialog will probably look a little different too, because we're working on different computers. Okay. Well, I hope that was informative, and here is the print. What they give you is, on this particular size, I've got the 4 little pieces to be taped together. And if you made your size be 24 inches, you would have had 3 pages across, and 3 pages across, and 3 more pages across. So it would have been bigger. So that's how the Rapid Resizer works. It is fabulous. You can go to, let's see, in the description below, I'm going to show you how you can go to Rapid Resizer, and you can get it by the month or by the quarter or by the year. It's really a good value. I'd love to hear how you have your successes with Rapid Resizer. All right, well, that's it for now.